We're on the record in two cases. First case is cause number 323236, and the second case is cause number 323238. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Lionel Coleman. We have Mr. Coleman, who is appearing via Zoom, and his attorney, Mr. Larry Dowd, who is also appearing via Zoom. Mr. Coleman, would you please, Pepper, your hand is in the way. Mr. Coleman, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Coleman, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, you may put your hand down. Peppo, could you raise that camera up some? It's like it's got more of the table than it's. Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Mr. Coleman, you are here represented by your attorney, Mr. Larry Dowd. And how are you doing, Mr. Dowd?
I'm doing fine, Judge. I hope you're doing well.
Oh, yes, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Dowd, you have filed a motion to withdraw as attorney of record in both of these cases for Mr. Lionel Coleman. Mr. Coleman, are you aware that your attorney, Mr. Dowd, has filed motions to withdraw as your attorney in these cases?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dowd, you'd like to go forward with your motions?
Yes, sir, I would, Your Honor.
And Mr. Coleman, do you have any objections to Mr. Dowden withdrawing as your attorney?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Dowden, we're going to sign or grant these motions to allow you to withdraw.
Yes, sir.
As counsel in both these cases. Actually, I'm signing the motions right now.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
And Mr. Dowden, you are free to go.
Okay, thank you. Good luck, Lionel. Good luck. Thank you, Judge.
Are you welcome? Now, Mr. Coleman, you have three options in this case. And one is you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Your second option is if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Now, you may also represent yourself. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, if you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Now you have these three options that I just spoke of. Now, if you want to reset this case to hire your own attorney, then your case will be reset to give you an opportunity to do so. Now, if you have already hired an attorney, then you will tell the court who that attorney is, and your attorney will be contacted about the reset to your case as well. Now, if you want to apply for court-appointed attorney, as I stated earlier, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire. Now, if you have a court-appointed attorney that is already representing you on your cases, then you would have to inform the court as to who that attorney is, so that attorney can be contacted and your case will be reset. Now, if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, then you can just tell the court that's what you want to do, and you would have to sign a waiver of counsel for purposes of entering either a guilty plea or proceeding to trial. And by doing so, that waiver will be in the misdemeanor plea admonishment. Now, Mr. Coleman, what do you want to do in your case? Do you want to hire an attorney, or do you want to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, or do you want to represent yourself?
I wanna, represent myself.
Okay. Now, there may be some paper, you have to sign the waiver that I stated earlier. After you sign that waiver, you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor in your case. So at this time, we'll give